The Milestone Gold Mastercard is an unsecured credit card aimed at people with poor or limited credit who can't qualify for most other options. One of its biggest selling points is that it doesn't require a security deposit, which can be a big relief for those who don't have hundreds of dollars to lock away. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, so responsible use, like making small purchases and paying on time, can help improve your credit score. Pre-qualification is available without a hard credit check, making it easier to gauge approval odds without damaging your score. Since it's a MasterCard, you also get broad acceptance and standard protections such as zero fraud liability. The drawbacks, however, are hard to overlook. The annual fee is steep, and in some cases, there's even a monthly maintenance fee after the first year, which can make this card much more expensive than similar products. The initial credit limit is often low, and once the annual fee is deducted from it, your available credit shrinks further. This not only limits spending, but can also hurt your credit utilization ratio, a key factor in improving credit. The APR is extremely high, so carrying a balance quickly becomes costly. There's also no rewards program, no welcome bonus, and no clear path to a higher credit limit over time, which means the card offers little value beyond basic credit reporting. In short, the Milestone Gold Mastercard works best as a last-ditch option for those who have been denied everywhere else and need a quick way to start building credit. It can help improve your score if you use it sparingly and pay the balance in full every month. But the combination of high fees, low limits, and no perks make it a poor long-term choice. The risk lies in the cost. If it's not managed with strict discipline, the fees and interest can outweigh any credit-building benefits.